Kaayaayang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a Bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So it's a Thursday today. It's August 24, 2023, and it's Zion's third day in school. She started school last Tuesday, and what we did last Tuesday was a Sanrio creation, which is a Gudetama character. So yesterday I wasn't able to do a bento creation, but today we're gonna be doing another quick and easy bento character for you. So let's check out the ingredients and see who our bento character for today is. So for today's creation, we're gonna be doing a Rilakkuma bento. So for the Rilakkuma bento character, we need brown colored rice here. So for this one, I just mixed plain white rice with this soy sauce. So this is an organic soy sauce, which is actually good for babies 12 months up. This is a healthier option than the regular soy sauce. So less sodium and all natural ingredients. And so this is from IveNet Philippines. This is their Instagram account here on the screen. So I just mixed it with the plain white rice, okay, to achieve this brown colored rice. And then we also need plain white rice, just a little bit. And then for the Rilakkuma details, we just need nori. So I'm gonna be using this brand of nori for today. And then for the side dishes of Zion, for today, her ulam is luncheon meat, so she requested this one. And then for her fruit, we have sliced or cubed mangoes. And then just a little sweet treat for her, so we have gummy bears here. So for the side dishes, it's actually up to you. If you don't want your kids to eat any of these that I have here, you have the option naman to put whatever you want in their bento box. So this is just what I prepared for today for Zion. So let's start by doing the Rilakkuma bento character. Okay, so since I already have the rice, the brown colored rice in this jar, what I just need to do is basically put in the details of Rilakkuma on top of the rice. Okay, so the first thing that I'll be doing is to mold the bears now using this white colored rice and of course our cling wrap. Yeah, so let's cut a portion of the cling wrap. So if your rice is not inside a jar or a canister, what you can do is just do a bear shape. So basically a round shape for the face, and then two small circles or two round shapes for the ears. And then you're just gonna put the ears on top, okay? So we'll just get a little bit of this white rice, and then we'll just have to mold it into an oval shape for the snout of the bear. Just a very, very little amount. This is very, very easy to do. I think you can do this bento character in less than 10 minutes. Baka kaya nga ng 5 minutes. So what you need to do is basically just wrap the white rice. Okay, and then just press it and mold it into an oval shape there, here. So this is gonna be the snout of Rilakkuma. And then we need to cut the eyes and the nose of Rilakkuma. So we just need a little bit of nori. Okay. So we'll just cut two circle shapes for the eyes. You can also use a nori puncher if you want it to be a perfect circle. But I think my nori puncher is too small to make the size of the circle that I want. So we have 2 round shapes here for the eyes. And then for the nose, we just need a very small circle shape, another circle, and then a V shape. So let's cut that. So here's the V shape. And this is the small circle shape for the nose. So here's everything that we need to cut out of the nori. So we need 3 circle shapes. So 2 bigger shapes for the eyes and 1 small circle for the nose. And then we need to cut a V shape for the nose. There. So get the oval shape that you molded out of the white tries. And then just get the V shape that you cut out of the nori, and then just put it on top of the white tries. There. And then just get the smaller circle and then just put it on top here. We can now put this one here on our brown colored rice. Just put it on top like this. And then we just need to put the other 2 circle shapes here, just right beside the snout. One here and the other one here. So there you go. We have our Rilakkuma character. So that's it. Just as easy as that. And then we can now put together our bento. So for today's bento box, we're again gonna be using our favorite Bolly Baby bento box here. The reason why I always use this more often is because it has this canister that makes the food inside warm. So when Zion eats it come her recess or lunchtime, it's still warm. It's very easy to open and close. So this is the lid. You just need to press it like that and then close it. When you need to open it, you just pull up the handle and then that's it. So we'll just put it on this side. So this is where you put the canister there. And then I've already included her drinks here. So we have chocolate drink and then of course our probiotic drink here. And then we'll put our sweet treats, the gummy bears here. And then our mangoes here. And then our ulam, which is the luncheon meat here. And then I'll just use some bento picks to design it. So the bento picks also help the kids get their food easier. So let me just put that one and then I'll show you the finished product. So here's our finished product. So that's it guys for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share this video. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!